evening, parents. This recording serves as a friendly reminder to your kids that they should bring a 5 liter of petrol for a science project. And by the way, I'm their science and technology teacher. So the project, it's for science. So they must bring 95, strictly 95 of 5 liter of petrol. I know parents are going to complain that in January you brought tissues. It's fine, you can come and collect them. We don't need them anymore. We just need the 5 liter of petrol, 95 unleaded. Okay, thank you very much.
Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, comment and share.
And ho ka bona happiness ya motho mong e utlwisa botlhoko shemthomi wa lawyer khopolo yo khunama o rapele go tle modimo o tlhatswe pele a o thuse moloi tshos wa lawyer.
This is my first relationship ke sa cheat. Ke ipotsa hore ke hodile kapa ke wele. Balloy.
South Africans, World War III might be here, and let's be honest, our army is not ready. There's only one group who can save us. Taxi drivers. Tell them the invaders are here to steal their route and they will shut that shit down immediately. The invaders have a submarine, they'll send a Quantum with a snorkel. The invaders have fighter jets, they'll put wings on a minibus. They send snipers, we'll send a driver with a shambok. It won't be an attack, it'll be a tsak. And the best part is, they'll still get you to work on time.
Kodwa sisangifuna ukungasho cha unokhanda elikhulu shame.
Uyalibona kodwa bhuti yo hayi likhulu ngempela. Yo hey mina ngisayinele nalana kutshela. Ngithuli.
Ene mmereko o wirang gore o robalo wa tlhamile ka mo taxing o ka re ngwana ba motshelela tramela resign ngwana ko hae o tlwele mmereko we o lise na hae.
Please make sure when you taking your car to the mechanics that you have petrol. Please, because mechanics can't afford to put their own petrol in your car anymore. And we have things to do with your car. We have to go buy parts, we have to fetch our children from school, we have to fetch our wives and girlfriends from work. When taking your car to the mechanic, make sure you have petrol. Thank you.
Rakari awo lawyer we tla Good Friday. O tlo soon as pongo say e deadline at 370 yawo.
Igama lami uMzantruva ngisebenzisa nyama umfazi angisanayo ngisho ukuthi ngeke lutshwala mina ngayekela yena. Into engenzi ukuthi ngibhalele imoja lapho ukuthi ngilambile. So bengicela ukuthi umphakathi ngisize.
I repeat, the overhype is so wrong. Like when you bump into his friends and they are overhyping you, like muthu wa matarona awu muthu wa mata bayithi simhle basile mata ntsakode mkamkhukhu. Leave him, he's cheating. Leave, walk away. Yo,
when else did you come? When else did you come together at the same time to go praise the Lord? Come to
now, well, man, just fuck on jars. How is it working? When last did you come together to pray in the Lord? What a trigger, man.
Bathungina, lesimeme masontweni wenu. Lesimeme masontweni wenu. Mara nitshela mama phela ukuthi ifish aniyidli. Ifish le fry aniyidli ne. Ngidla beef.
Kele utalla. A ke go lona le ma 2018 2017. Nna ke le 2000. Re ruteng sekolo.
Re ruteng sekolo.
Wa pota. Ke ntho.
And angeke uthola belungu ngeGood Friday bagcwele amabhasi bayocula ubusuku bonke.
I want a boyfriend there 50 years. Boyfriend there 40, 50, 35 years, I think. What does it come across so young? What does that mean? How?
Uyakhumbula sikushela uthi mina I respect my man. Oh ma mhlonishwa. Mhlonishwa uhleli iphi? Uyayibamba?
Ngaleso sikhathi uyenza right. Mhlambe ba together now.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
Ish, maybe she doesn't have driver's lessons.
Yo, head cheers man. I relationship ya means yo. What been there? Yo. I ain't the dog wakandi. You barely know.
Mawungithanda ngizobona ngezenzo. Kusho amantombazana abiza imali yethu ngezenzo. Hayi.
Guys, ngicela sibhekeni izinto esizenza kwabanye abantwana. Udlale ngomuntu kanti nakuba bamphethe kahle ujabula kuphela mina nawe. Ay guys, ezinye izinto ayihlekisi stu. Ayihlekisi stu. Ay guys, no man na ana. No stop it.
Uthakaleni sisi.
Hayi. Umuntu mawuzuthi awumthandi ngeke. Because awuyazi background yakho ukuthi ithini. Idlantuka like no guys, no.
No. Bawuhethilo. Askis.
Niba.
Yebo.
Tsama ya manje.
Sharp wena?
Bo ke apile bo ba kana ma go bua. Pele gale ke bona re nga o tsholela wa ba shapona.
Le nna ke apile the same thing.
O apile the same thing.
Yeah.
Ke bona furu ntse ke kwa na manyana ke ro o apile.
O bone furu o kwana.
Mi wena o ka ntsholela tsa ka go dira. Tele.
Ere ke le botsa go bile le COVID na. Wa ba le pandemic eo. Ba re ke mathuta. They live for now. Abatwanele number form 5. Matuta they live for now. Ukara linyalo la 50 years. Li fitle li tuta. But let till death do us apart. If it's a death, ya li tuta. Ile khalo struggle o lose weight. Ushumisha herbal life ipala. Li tuta o li fitle o fele ka 2 weeks. Ba butse ba re gantse o nwa eng recommend. Ba sa tsore ke li tuta o li fitlile. Li bitsa monna dude.
Dude grow up.
We're not busy Kabazela, Mr. Mulot. Plus, we're hey, dude. You make me feel so young.
And then, we ramo. Karano kakandiyan. Waplitter. When I want
Plaster.
Talo to hile mo. Yes, station in Kibo also Katilian.
Enele namazulungele mputshemmo. Anibale mangicabana nawe ngamagama ngicabana nawe kamanju. Uwona oruwele ngiyakufenya mina ngiyakufenya. And then ma uthi uzongishaya ukaba ukuthi mina amangishaya ngizokubheka ngizokushaya mina ngizokubheka
Actually ngizokushaya
mina
sizokushaya
ngizokuyitiya ngizokubura
Wasusa impilo
ngizokushaya ngizokushaya amanye nakane ngizokubheka mangishaya na
sizokushaya
a bana o itse gore ke beke ya ditshele bjanong ke bekela ya mabitleng ba botse Petros wa ba tho ba letseng ka 19 something ba motse re bula ditsela Petros re a tlhaka Petros a rena memmereko Petros nako Petros na ga phela khopela ya kwene ba motse re wa lapisa mara ule Petros bula piti
papa esna le khokho tsaka gishini o batlang le khokho ke snack okay like how papa le khokho is the main thing. Why papa we phela kara non-stick pot when papa ya flipa ka pitseng wa tshola ha ona le khokho ha ona le khokho ha ona crust ha ona room no that it's a delicacy. Le khokho la papa is the delicacy. We don't throw anything out. What are we doing? Don't enter in the kitchen.
We guys kwenziwa yini ukuthi labo bhuti laba abaqonywe intombi ezinhle
ngibize ngegama ngoba ukhuluma nami
ngizokuthiwa umbona ngelinye ilanga engasathandani nalo yaziyo ke nakhona uyohlangana naye hamba nesinye futhi isibhaqo futhi nje bahlezi nje beqonywa yintombi ezinhle
ngisasho namanje ngithi kuwe Thani kwenziwa yini oxolani ngoba ukhuluma nami la
ngifuna ukuphendula ayibona futhi kodwa mhla eseganwa eganelo intokazi emild nje intokazi kahle kwenzakalani ithini induku emqubeni eyani all of a sudden manje all of a sudden xoxani chazani kwenzakalani ishoni ke manje
uyabona njengoba siqala sijola nabantu abahle suke sijola nabantu abahle ngoba nathi sibahle bese siyayibuka lento ukuthi no unfair ukuthi sithi sibahle siphinde siyohubha abantu abahle asenzeni ifavor senzele nalabo abathe ukuthi yabo nabo siyoba swengisa kahle kahle mase sisuke sesithatha sesiyoshada nalabo sisuke siyoba swengisa ukuthi nabo emzini wabo kube nesithunzi ukuthi hayi at least indoda yakho na inhle so nezingane izoba zinhle sisuke siyokwenza ifavor kubo hayi ukuthi mhlambe khona into etheni cha
Zimu yenze Adama aqala ka Adama pele hata Eva yare ababile tshimong ya Eden e mong wa bona ari lali ari mulololi ari romi anar ari romi una bua ka roman ari romi papa madama na robetsa kwa le mahlo papa madama ba re dintsa Adama di telele di ka tsare very tsare vrpa dintsa Adama tsare vrpa e faradi
Ntete thuso
sarapule fa ibitsetsa udimo are Adama sheba kwana Adama itsa phamisa matlo bona polelo di bire la ya re tsake
phakathi
man sure aruspana mfana wait batolela ri I am fan nangyo ba comedian mfana oh nyo ba comedian sure mpotse jo mata di flesh di bona batho tirikirina di hawkers
I ke tsebe o itseng di flesh ai sepitori comedian yo bereke
yo tanga mfethu le hotel eyayidlayo ngathi ile 15 rand tanga
ugweje
ntanga wena yakena ntaka mina nale outskazi sashayisana mfethu wena iyali yayo yomcela ntanga ithola siyabona gweje ninkulu inhlonipho ndetenkulu wena sacela ungikapule inkomo
nami ngenkulu inhlonipho wena mzababa ne angeke ngikhona ngifundi and angeke ngivukile ngifunile angifundi
hayi oy azolwela ikota yomunye umntwana
mfalo one bora nahloke ngarishiko uomini ngari anwa juzi dambo ikwaro ekweche makatama wema namba wabo
leslima besingithuka I can't just prove it
mina nhle besacela ungifakele i-password ye-Wi-Fi yakababsha direct if uyayazi
ngiyakutshela ngivele ngadecide ukubuza lokhu kwama-GPT lokuncane ngikuzwile
chat what does it mean to say makatla mawema namba wabo wena mzababa ucathanga zwanga ukuthi bawuthini ngimbuzile i-ChatGPT wena mawuthi makahla amawema nambobo bowuthi umgogolo kamune imbobo ubonile for loko ya
Okay. So akusinhlamba.
uyathukana yidle phambi kwakhe ngumlaya ya luma
Ikota 15 rands.
ya ngibongile ukuthi usiqede mafotshotho ndoda enkulu uyaphapha umzabhapha senza sale niyilungisa ya
uyiluma amahlo kami uze uyeda mfethu ngikuthembise mfethu
bengana choice yabo
Makata wena analembobo.
uyazi ukuthi ngilambela mfethu akata mawema nambobo
Guys, thanks for making this far. Thanks for supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
After telling her husband that she wants to go to an expensive place for her birthday on Wednesday, the 42-year-old Jane Hutting's husband is now planning on walking her to their local BP garage on Wednesday. My humble apologies. My humble apologies. What an expensive place to take your husband.